Sonia from Junk Monkey. Welcome back to another vlog here on my YouTube channel. I am so glad that you guys are here. So I've been having some fun, finally getting the time to do something I've wanted to do for a while, which is some scrapbooking using the power of pretty papers and paint to be able to create a memory book. And so if you're following me on Facebook, you'll see that I started that over there. So go over there if you're not already following me. And so this morning I came into my studio here and I'm working on a bunch of pictures you'll see in this video that I printed out, and I'm putting them all together. So I am going to make myself an art journal / life memory book keepsake of just the things that goes on. I think a lot of times that we take great photos, we even take it in the middle of like events. We're not even focused on the event, we're just focused on getting a good photo, and then what do we do with that photo? Nothing, right? Maybe it gets lost on our camera. So I've issued a challenge to myself personally, and I want to throw it out there to you guys as well, to take the time just to take a couple of photos each week off of your camera and go ahead and put them into a mixed media art journal or something like that. So you're going to see me working in mine today on this vlog here. I'm going to knock out another 2 pages, and you'll see that my life memory keepsake book, whatever you want to call it, art journal, because I'm going to be doing some doodles and drawings in here as well as we continue on. But mine is dedicated to my personal life, my family, but also to my business, because paint is my life. And so I'm going to be documenting fun stuff that's happened in my business. You'll see me add in some things to this particular session. So enjoy the session. I'm going to put it in speed through so that way you can really watch it happen really quickly, watch it all come together, and at the end of the day you'll see just how simple it really is. So for anybody who wants to use the same papers that I'm using and get in on the same program, I do a scrapbooking kit each month that gets sent to me. And I'm trying to find the paper that came with this month. This month is an October themed one, so which works perfectly because I'm doing, things that have happened this month here, given that it is the month of like Halloween and fall and all that good stuff, all right? So anyway, I forget the kit name, but it's through the scrapbookingstore.com, and if you use code JUNKMONKEY10, it will give you 10% off your order, okay? So every month they're going to be sending me scrapbooking stuff that I'm going to be making use of, whether it's on furniture, on decor items, or in my lovely art journal. All right, let's get started. JUNKMONKEY10 is the code. I'll see you at the end. Let me know what you think. I gotta paint some furniture yet today, work on some stuff around the shop, but just getting to come in this morning, drink my coffee, sit down, and just celebrate the memories that have happened. You saw me put in this month my sample card photo, because for business that was important to me, having a sample card to be able to send out to you guys so you can see the paint colors firsthand. So that's a project that's been going on here at the Junk Monkey. This week we finally got our gift cards in, so that's something you guys have been asking a lot about, and so I decided to take a picture of those gift cards with stars that say, "Yay, finally arrived!" Right? It's the little things. It's the steps that make up the entire journey. So I'm celebrating it. We had Krampus come visit us. That scary guy in a costume that you saw with the big old tongue in my journal. Yeah, all right. He came to visit us for Ligonier Days 2018. That was a lot of fun. Posed for a selfie with me. Had to capture it. And also the Paris Grey Beauty. Boy, after I painted that buffet in Paris Grey, I completed it with our clear Monkey Shine, and then I just used a little bit of black soot into the wax to be able to like antique it. The messages that I got, the amount of you guys that messaged me and said, "I love it, I can't wait to replicate it," or "You replicated it and it sold just like that," and you continue to do that look, because who doesn't love a Paris Grey Beauty? So thank you guys for following me. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Hopefully you feel inspired to get out there to make and create. Just do something for you today. Fill your happy bucket. Fill your happy bucket, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.